How to generate hot leads without spending a dime. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this YouTube channel, I teach you strategies on how you can make money from what you know, and I teach you skills as well that you can maximize on the digital space. Now, this video is actually how you can generate hot leads without spending a dime. Yes, I've done this severally and it has been working for me, and I'm very sure that it's going to work for you if you pay attention to details. At the end of the video, I'm going to show you two different strategies that you can get hot leads. At the end of the video, I'm going to do that, but pay attention now. Now, online, you have to give value. You have to give value before people can, appreciate or show interest in what you have. If what you have is something that does not solve someone's problem, then you are not ready to actually generate leads. Now you could recall there's something we call lead magnets. Now this has to do with something that magnates people, that attracts people, and it's giving you access to audience, potential audience that are interested in what you do, not your family members, your friends that are just on your wall, whatever. It is about the right audience that will patronize you or that will show interest in what you do. Now, it could not be that you want to sell a product. It could be that you want to generate traffic. It could be that you're a content creator, you just need traffic. It could be that you have a YouTube channel, you need to drive traffic to it. This works perfectly. And I'm going to be using Facebook for an instance. Now, how does this work? Now, we understood so well on Facebook that you can send friend requests and people can send friend requests to you. You can follow people and people can follow you. But it would be very wrong if you are following the wrong people, or you are sending requests to the wrong people. So in this strategy, I'm going to show you my RF strategy to generate hot leads, people that are interested in what you do. How can this be done? There are three different ways to get it done. One, you may need to join similar Facebook pages. Number two, you may need to follow influential profiles. People in your niche that are influencing, or people that are interested in what you have, and you can help them, you can give them whatever you have and they will show appreciation to it. Then number three has to do with pages, Facebook pages that are in your niche. You need to follow such. So we are talking about Facebook group, your influencers wall, and Facebook pages as well. So how is this done? If you are following an influencer, pay attention to informations that influencers are passing out. It could be a form of question and you may have the answer. It could be a form of content and you may want to contribute to that influencer's content. You may need to get this right. Now, the first strategy which has to do with influencer now is this. The moment you get positioned under the comment section of an influencer, people are going to notice you easily. So you are definitely you are definitely getting access to your influencer's audience. You are getting access to influencer's audience. So now he or she has been able to gather these people together. All you need to do is just to tap into what they have done. And how do you get this? Drop valuables, drop lead magnets, answer questions that are being asked by influencers, respond to comment section. Once people drop questions or whatever it is that they are finding difficult on the comment section, if you have the solution, just help the influencer to answer them. Now, this is what is going to happen. As soon as you help them, if they find it valuable, they are going to send you friend requests or they are going to follow you. And if they don't follow you and they react or reply to your comment section and they appreciate what you do, the first thing you need to do is just send them friend requests. Yes, by sending them friend requests, you are bringing them into your home. You are bringing them into your domain. You are bringing them into your wall. So whatever it is that you're going to be posting on your wall every day, they are going to get access to it. That is a strategy that you need to put in place. Then the same thing has to do with Facebook pages, and the same thing has to do with Facebook group. Join Facebook group, drop tips, drop valuables, drop tricks, drop what we help people out there. Once they show interest, once they reply, they comment, send them friend requests. I have done this severally and it has worked for me. Let me show you a page. Let me show you a group rather that I've done this and it's really giving me results. This is a group. Shop from Aba is a group. I made a post recently on Google My Business. So I'm going to show you the video now. Let me type it. Google My Business. So let me search. Okay, so you can see Google My Business. That's the video I made. I have about 24 comments. These are my posts. Let me check you some. I think I have to show you Google My Business per se. There was one I generate over how many leads? Close to 300 leads up to my WhatsApp number through just a post I made. So let me check. Okay, I think I need to use another keyword. Sorry, let me use my name. Let's see. Okay, these are some of the posts I made on this group. So this is something I do organically. I do this organically and I don't pay. These are free Facebook groups. These are free Facebook group you can maximize. So let me, I think, sorry for the delay. Oh, it's taking time. Sorry about that. Okay, 7. There's a video, there's a post I made. I generated over 300 leads. Over 300 leads. I think I can't find it. It's serious. Okay. Wow. Can you see? These are about 548 comments, including the ones I replied. So what I did was, if you check the post, I was actually addressing visibility. And I gave them offer about helping 100 businesses here to register their business on Google Maps for free. You can either WhatsApp me or you inbox me. And I started getting lots of messages. People were chatting me on my inbox, they were chatting me on my WhatsApp, and I was also sending friend requests to them. Yes. So in as much as I am generating leads to my WhatsApp, I am also generating leads on my Facebook wall. I send them friend requests, they accept. I send them friend requests, they accept. I send them friend requests, they accept. I am not waiting for them to send me friend requests or follow me, because these are my potential audience I can pitch later. I can decide to sell other courses on how to promote their business on Google My Business, or how to advertise on Google My Business and the rest. These are ways I can upsell to them. So I decided to create a lead magnet, and through the lead magnet, I generated leads to my WhatsApp, and I still send friend requests to them so that they can be seeing my future updates on my Facebook wall. That's a strategy that you can put in place and you generate hot leads. I have tested it and it has worked so well for me. You can replicate this and believe me, the result is going to be massive. The result is going to be massive. If you're a content creator, you're a business person, whatever it is you do, just all you need to do is just to find your right audience, know where your audience are and get positioned. You must not always advertise about your product. You can drop a pitch, you can drop a lead magnet, you can just drop a tip, you can drop a trick that can help them. It could be how to use a particular product, it could be how to detect fake product, it could become how to avoid scam and the rest. If you can get it done, there are people out there that will be interested in what you do, in what you are saying. It is better to have the right audience on your wall than having people that will only be telling you more grace, more says, well done, sir. You are doing well, sir. It is actually frustrating. It is actually so frustrating. So it is good you get it right. And this is a strategy that will help you. And the other one, I told you at the end of the video, I'm going to show you 2 ways to get it done. One is through this way, and the other one is running paid advert. You can run Facebook ads and you generate massive leads too. So you need to consider sponsored ad and organic ad. And if you don't know how to run Facebook ad, you can let me know. Drop a message under the comment section. I will get you on how to advertise your product on Facebook and Instagram. I also have videos like that on my YouTube channel. You can go through my YouTube channel and get videos on how to run adverts and consume them. You will be interested. You at the end of the day, you so much appreciate the work and the energy. So guys, if you are just here for the first time on the channel, like I said earlier, do subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get informed once I drop valuables like this.